Hey guys, it's Dami, and in today's video I will be showing you guys where to get the best AirPod Pro 2nd generation 3s and 4s from DhGate. As you guys already know, I only show the best one-to-one AirPods from DhGate, and I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description from my supplier. Without further ado, let's begin. These AirPods here connect and pop up like the real AirPods that you would get from Apple. Even from the Pro 2s, ANC works like a charm. You don't hear nothing whatsoever. Even transparency works like a gem. And let me add that these AirPods also come with warranty, so even if you do check it on Apple's website, it would pass that warranty check. These AirPods come in the one-to-one AirPod boxes. I think it might even be the original AirPod boxes that they actually come in. They come with extra ear tips that you could change from small to extra small, and they also come with USB-C charging cables that are braided as well. And now I'll be showing you guys how to buy these AirPods with my link down below in the description. Click the link down below in the description. First thing you see is the DhGate page of these AirPods. They do come from my supplier CXKJ 2023. That is the name of the DhGate store. Go down to where it says options, and from there you'll see the list of AirPods that my supplier sells, from the Pros to the 4s and to the 3s and to the AirPod 2s as well. But always pick the best AirPods from the option, because you're always going to get the best quality, the best sound, and the best features and the best packaging if you do go with the best quality AirPods from my supplier. Another thing to add is when you add more AirPods to the cart, you do tend to get a discount on more AirPods that you add. So that's just one thing to point out that I think you should take advantage of if you do look into reselling these AirPods or buying it for friends and family. Best part is that my supplier has warehouses in Canada, China, Germany, France, Italy, the United Kingdom, and the United States. That being said, is if you order from any of these countries that you're in, you are going to get these AirPods within 5 days to a week maximum. But if you live outside these regions, don't be alarmed. Just order from China and you should be able to get it within a week to 2 weeks maximum as well. So it's too fast shipping. The sound quality on these is A1, especially on the Pro 2s. They are better than my AirPod 3s that I bought from Apple with my own money. That's to tell you how good these one-to-one AirPods from my supplier is. It's the best I've ever received from anyone from DhGate to date. And if you're asking, yes, the stem controls work as well on these AirPods, like volume control, pause, play, even go back to the previous track. They all work, and Siri works as well if you hold it down or even say, "Hey Siri." With all that being said, I hope you guys do understand that these are the best one-to-one AirPods you could find on DhGate. Link will be down below in the description. If you guys have any questions, hit me up in the comments or on Instagram, and I'll be sure to respond to those questions. Okay guys, like, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.